Now I'm filming volcano, just volcano. Hear the noise. Look at this. See some explosions happen inside of the volcano, then you have very big shootouts. Seems like there is some blockage inside once in a while. It's so much ash. See how much lava is coming down. Very far. Lava travels a few kilometers distance. See those flows here. They're simply going over houses. Scary. And there is abandoned house behind. Villa actually. All these houses here, you see, all of them, they have been abandoned. There's nobody lives there anymore. Greetings from Spain, from Canary Islands. We are in La Palma, witnessing Cumbre Vieja eruption here. And this is what is happening here, as you see. So many explosions. Do you hear the sound? Oh, look, fires went on here. Something is burning there. Hello friends, greetings from La Palma. Cumbre Vieja volcano is behind my back there, you see. And it's incredible view I have right from here, very close to the exclusion zone. This is the best spot I found, a new spot to film the volcano, and I will show it to you from here. It's sunset, it's 8 o'clock here in La Palma, and this is how the view we have now. See, somebody's flying a drone there, you see. I don't know who is doing this, but you know, you can fly drone over the volcano here. It's, well, legally you can, but people do that. But I wouldn't do that at night, because you can see the drone, you know, where it is and where it lands, so they can track you and get fined. Volcano, see the clouds that you have. Wow, look at this cloud. The ash that is coming from the volcano is just insane amounts of ash. See at this, look at this. Huge amounts. There are more people coming here. Some photographer from Spain is next to me. Over there, you see, there is a photographer from Spain over there, and actually he doesn't say he's from Spain, he's Catalonia, and there are more people coming here also. So there is a road you can drive to the lava, but it's closed, you know. It's only scientists and civil guards that can go there. I can't either. This is, I think, the closest point you can get to the lava flows right here. Behind the abandoned house there, you see there is a house which had been abandoned, and you can. I saw the cat though. There was a cat. I don't know what the cat was doing next to the house. Maybe he was left behind. Strange. You see, it's only civil guards that can drive there. Okay, see you. Nice to meet you. I will also be going soon home. Just wanted to show you those views we have here in the night, here in La Palma. At 8 o'clock in the night, you see. This morning I was on that mountain. It's called Montana La Laguna, Laguna Montana, and even there are civil guards. Even there they told me to go away. So it's like this place is under total control. Very hard to find places like this. At least we found one now. Because from the chat you can see it, but not so well as from here. Here it's much closer. You see, it's burning. There is a agro rincon. You see, I was showing you this enterprise in the morning, and lava went around it and is pushing down next to agro. La Palma, 8 o'clock in the evening. Beautiful view. My home is in Los Llanos de Aridane. That's where I stay. Like, it's a city. I have to drive there. And it's about 10 minutes drive, not far. There you feel all this noise from the volcano, and also earthquakes are felt there as well. In the night, last night, 3:30 in the night, there was an earthquake, and it was shaking pretty bad. You know, I got scared. Those are fires next to Agro Rincon. It's enterprise that got destroyed by lava. That is a drone flying. Somebody's flying a drone. Had been flying here at least for 15 minutes now. Anyway, lava is pushing to the northwest. Direction this way is south. This is northwest, you know. And it's pushing towards Los Llanos de Aridane, towards my city, which is like 10 kilometers away. But it will go down here in the valley to La Laguna, you know, because this is a valley, so it's all going to the ocean eventually. And that's where it's going. There's only one exit here to the northwest from the volcano. If you get from the other side of the lava fields, you will not see the volcano. El Paso here is the best place. El Paso, Los Llanos, La Palma Island, 8 o'clock in the evening. We are close to El Paso and Los Llanos de Aridane. So one big area here, densely populated, and this is the roundabout, and there is a checkpoint. There is a supermarket here. I went to the supermarket over there today to buy some food, and my car is here, so I will. This lady is waiting for the bus. She's going somewhere. It's a passenger. It's a bus stop here. And the volcano shines the way here, just like it was in Iceland, you know. It was the same situation. There you see the guards. I'm not going there. I have a location where to film. I found a nice place, so I'm happy now. Today was you know, it takes some time when you arrive in a new place to figure out what is where and where is the best. So finally I figured it out. Nice place I have. I wanted to show you the checkpoint here in the night. This big roundabout here is the key roundabout in the area. That's where all cars go. If you want to go to Santa Cruz, this is the way to go, through the mountains. And here is the checkpoint in the night. I'm not going there. Just wanted to show you the volcano there. You see It's not so simple to get to the lava. It's almost impossible. I never managed to get to the lava, so all those speculations that filming lava here, it's all very difficult, almost impossible. Unless you are a scientist or something. In Iceland it's a different case. You can go wherever you like, it's land of freedom. But here I was told, they say it's a socialist country, and because of that there are so many restrictions here, I don't know. Or there are many people, it's hard to control. You know, Spain is very densely populated. And the volcano is shooting a lot of ash in the air. Taxi, green lights. Anyway, I'm going back to the car, and I think I'm driving home. Enough for today, because I need a few hours then to upload the material. But I can tell you, as long as I am here, I will be sharing maybe 10 videos per day, something like that. A lot of material, interesting material will be coming soon, and I will be sharing with you, just like yesterday. Stay tuned and watch my videos. You will know everything what is going on here in La Palma. And fire rescuers coming, because lava is burning there some houses, you know. It's fire rescuers. Let's see where they go. Yes, they are going into exclusion zone. No? Yes, they went into exclusion zone to the lava fires. And there is lava is burning close houses, close some infrastructure, maybe trees next to viewpoint, you know. And there is a danger. Those fires can spread around, you know, with so much dry grass here, you know. And if there is a big fire, of course it needs to be stopped, because it's dangerous. You know, bus number 300 stops here. If fire spreads around the neighborhoods, it can be dangerous. So anyway, I'm driving home.